Hey, this is Benjammin from Jenkinsburg, Georgia. You might know me from prior videos of the wild hot legs or the beer and ass turkey. Well, today is the first grill of the new year, 2019, because the rain messed up the goddamn New Year's Day when I usually do pork chops for the first grill. But today, we got some Boston butt on the grill. This is some average old pork to start for New Year. But, let me show you what I'm doing. I've been in here about 2 hours. And it's been on here. It's about time to flip this thing over. And what I had done is earlier today while I was at work, I took the bone out of that son of a gun and tied it up so pretty. Cause I ain't got no dog, so I don't need a bone. And plus, I ain't got that long to cook for dinner time. So we're gonna brush this off on there. I do this about every 30 minutes. Just keep it moist. Get it up in the middle. I gotta flip the log over here too while I'm doing this. I do everything at one time, so I don't lose no heat by doing it separate times. Do it all one time. This stays hot, so I use a tongs. And then we take that, flip it over, get a little smoke out of it. The rest of it's over here. We're gonna put that back in there. The next 30 minutes, we'll add another log. And we got about another hour to go on it, hour and a half, maybe 2 at the most. Cause I do about 30 minutes a pound. This is 5 pounds. I'm figuring almost 4 hours at the max. So we're gonna check it again here in about 30 minutes. But I just wanna let you know, you're gonna see this all year long. Cause 2019 is gonna be the grilling and jamming. About 2020, I was thinking about going pro. Well, I'll holler at you.